Hello, in this video I'll show you how to convert SI units with prefixes. So let's get started. So first we have 3,000 meters and we want to convert it to kilometers. But how are we going to do that? Well, check here. So basically the diagram shows that kilometer is 1,000. Kilo is something 1,000 times larger than the base. Then if you multiply 1 times 1,000, well, 1,000. So you get 1,000 meters equals 1 kilometer. So what does 3,000 meters mean? Well, it's 3 kilometers. So 3 kilometers. Next, we have 7,000 kilometers. Let's find what it is. So basically, if you don't know, and also there's a new unit that you never heard before, which is called megameter. And if you don't know what is a megameter, it's just simply 1,000 kilometers. So yeah. So 1 megameter equals 1,000 kilometers. So therefore, 7,000 kilometers equals, yes, 7 megameters. So yeah, 7,000 kilometers equals 7 megameters. Now let's move on to the third one. We have 700 grams, and we want to convert it to hectograms or hectograms. Well, you can check here. So basically, hecto is just something that is 100 times larger than the base, and we see that hectogram is like up twice from gram. So if it's up thrice, then it's 1,000 times larger. So hectogram is 100 grams. So basically 1 hectogram equals 100 grams. That means 700 grams equals, you got it, 7 hectograms. Now let's move on to this. We have 2,000 kilograms, and we want to convert it to megagrams or tons. If you don't know why I said tons, check out in the previous video in the description. So what is a megagram? Well, look, so basically, as I said before, when I said a megameter equals 1,000 kilometers, a megagram is just simply 1,000 kilograms. So why not apply the same thing? So we have 2,000 kilograms equals 2 megagrams or 2 tons. Next we have is 400 milliliters. And there's a new unit that you probably never heard of it before, which is called deciliters. Just gotta clean up for a sec. So basically, a deciliter is just simply 10 times smaller. Deci is just simply 10 times smaller than the base, or you have to divide that thing by 10. So a liter or liter is a liter. So basically, a liter is just simply 10 deciliters. So you know what it is, right? So basically, but we have to convert it to milliliters to deciliters. So what? Check the chart. So basically, milliliter is like twice below than deciliter. Milliliter, deciliter. So it has to be 100 times smaller than 100 times from each other. So milliliter is like 1,000 times smaller, and a deciliter is 10 times smaller. So basically, 1 deciliter equals 100 milliliters. Sorry about that long explanation that I just said before. So basically, 100 milliliters equals 1 deciliter. So that means 400 milliliters equals, yep, You got it. 4 deciliters. Now let's move on to this. We have 5,000 milliliters. So let's see. Okay, so basically we have milli, which is like thrice below than liter. And then you see like 1 liter equals 1,000 milliliters. So that means 5,000 milliliters equals 5 liters. Now, the basic one about time. We have 60 seconds. You know 60 seconds equals a minute, but we're gonna focus on decaseconds, since you probably need to learn SI prefixes and units. So 60 seconds equals how many decaseconds? Well, decasecond is like 10 times larger. So 1 decasecond equals 10 seconds. So that means 60 seconds equals 6 decaseconds. Now, on to the final question. We have 6,000 seconds, and we need to convert it to kiloseconds. Well, you already seen it. Kilo means thousand times larger than the base. So therefore, that means 1 kilosecond equals 1,000 seconds. 6,000 seconds is 6 kiloseconds. Done. We're done. This is how you can convert SI units with prefixes. So yeah, this is the end of the video. So see you soon. Bye.